Hey guys, what's up? It's Applecritics from Applecritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be giving you another classic video, and this video is going to be on the picture-in-picture mode for iOS 14. So what we can do is just go straight into it. So we can go into Apple TV or Netflix or any app that has a video component into it. So what we can do is just simply tap on this button right here, and then you're going to see that we have that picture-in-picture. It'll go ahead and jump to the top. So we have the picture-in-picture from the video right here. So you could go ahead and move it. You can put it in each corner. You can put it in the other corner. And then we have the same controls. So we have the controls for... So we have the control for 15 seconds rewound, and then we can fast forward 15 seconds as well. Then you have the X just to X out of the picture-in-picture, and then you have this to make it full screen. So if we tap on it, we're full screen, and then we can just simply go back to the normal screen. And then what we can do is just simply zoom in on it, which a lot of people don't know. So we could just zoom in on it to make it a lot bigger, and you can see how much of the screen it took up right there. So that's really interesting. So we have all those options for picture-in-picture, and we can easily just play the video. Then you can just simply X out of it as well. So it's just really simple in that way. That's essentially what the picture-in-picture feature does on iOS 14. It's a very solid stand-up feature. I really like it, and it just shows that Apple is going in a new direction for iOS 14. And they're giving us everything in the kitchen sink just like we wanted. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Comment down below of what you think of picture-in-picture. Also be sure to smash the like button down below so you know you watch. Also be sure to smash the subscribe button. Follow me on all my social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is Applecritics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.